In a traditional enterprise architecture, the data lake functions as a passive dumping ground. Isolated sources pump unverified raw information into a central storage bucket, leaving the data chaotic and stale by the time it reaches the end user. Relying on these siloed, bottlenecked data warehouses creates a barrier for generative AI. Machine learning workloads require continuous, high-volume ingestion and structured historical context to function. When the data is fragmented, the models stall out. Scaling enterprise machine learning requires reversing this dynamic. AI cannot simply sit downstream waiting for reports. It must become the active operator of the infrastructure. To build this, we clear the swamp and implement a 10-phase blueprint, a structured architecture designed for machine learning logic. We construct this system by stacking upward from a governed raw storage foundation, moving progressively through data curation to an autonomous AI layer at the top. Every layer of this stack is engineered to support real-time, multimodal machine learning and advanced retrieval-augmented generation workloads simultaneously. Without this strict layered integration, an enterprise attempting to scale AI will watch its infrastructure collapse under the weight of unstructured data fragmentation and severe governance failures. Phase 1 focuses on strategy and domain modeling. We apply a data mesh topology, assigning distinct business domains, like finance or HR, end-to-end ownership of their data products, rather than relying on a centralized engineering team. These domains operate within isolated cloud landing zones. We separate the dev, staging, and production environments at the account level to prevent accidental cross-contamination. This secure foundation allows us to deploy Phase 2, the storage layer. We partition our cloud object storage into 3 strict zones: bronze, silver, and gold. Data flowing through these zones follows a strict lifecycle tiering protocol, keeping active machine learning features in hot storage while migrating compliance and audit logs to cold archive storage after 90 days. The first stop is the bronze zone. This is a repository for raw, immutable ingestion. Every single format of data lands here exactly as it was generated by the source system. The silver zone sits directly above it. Here, the raw data is cleaned, validated, and schema enforced. Finally, the gold zone houses highly curated, heavily aggregated datasets. This is the business-ready tier, optimized for business intelligence tools and machine learning consumption. Moving data through this structure requires a mandated columnar format. Structured data must be converted into Apache Parquet files using snappy compression to optimize read efficiency. To optimize retrieval, these Parquet files are wrapped by an Apache Iceberg metadata layer. This allows us to use Z-order clustering to mathematically group related records, accelerating how fast AI models retrieve features. By combining decentralized ownership with a rigidly typed 3-zone storage model, we prevent the environment from regressing into a swamp. Downstream models are guaranteed to ingest structurally sound data. Phase 3 manages how data enters the architecture. We build universal ingestion pipelines that feed directly from external applications into the foundational bronze zone. This ingestion is split into 2 methodologies: continuous real-time event streaming for immediate system logs, and segmented, orchestrated batch loads for daily application updates. We also build object-level ingestion paths for unstructured data. Documents, audio, and video files land directly in bronze to support multimodal workloads. As those unstructured files enter, we use foundation models to extract mathematical representations of their content, known as embeddings, and push those numerical vectors upward into the silver zone. Pushing data from bronze to gold requires Phase 4, the ELT transformation process. We enforce strict boundaries between storage zones using automated data quality gates. If the gateway identifies a malformed row or a missing value, it intercepts the packet and routes it to a quarantine bucket. By continuously isolating failed checks, these gates enforce data freshness constraints and eliminate schema drift before it reaches the curation layer. Once the data hits gold, we deploy a semantic layer. This defines business logic and metrics precisely once, exposing them through a single unified API to both dashboard analysts and AI agents. When you force both structured transaction logs and complex media embeddings through the same validated semantic pipeline, you remove the data ambiguity that typically causes multimodal AI to hallucinate. To extract answers from this curated stack, Phase 6 introduces an interactive query engine sitting directly on top of the storage zones. Using federated SQL engines, users can execute direct queries across the bronze, silver, and gold zones simultaneously, without physically moving or copying the underlying files. Phase 5 constructs the machine learning platform beside this compute layer, utilizing a feature store to bridge the gap between historical training and real-time execution. The feature store pulls curated offline data from the gold tables and caches it in low-latency online databases, allowing models to serve predictions in under 10 milliseconds at inference time. This schematic shows an Apache Iceberg table, revealing the defining differentiator of an AI-native architecture. Instead of separating the data types, we treat vector embeddings as first-class columns, storing them directly beside standard tabular data like event dates and regional IDs. Because they sit in the same table, a single query can simultaneously run traditional SQL filtering and execute complex semantic similarity searches across the entire enterprise. Storing vector embeddings within the table format enables a unified infrastructure. This approach reduces the operational overhead of managing isolated standalone vector databases for enterprise-wide hybrid queries. A decentralized data mesh running high-speed AI queries requires universal governance and real-time observability to maintain its structural integrity. We bound the entire architecture within two overarching compliance layers. Phase 7 implements a unified metadata catalog. We use version-controlled YAML data contracts to dictate strict schemas and service-level agreements for every domain owner. Phase 8 enforces security. Access control is executed at the individual column and row level based on user role, while automated scanning detects and dynamically masks personally identifiable information during queries. Phase 9 deploys observability platforms that monitor the physical health of the stack, alerting engineers to sudden schema drift, volume drops, or data staleness. This observability extends to the machine learning platform, constantly testing deployed models for input drift to ensure predictions remain statistically sound as real-world behaviors change. We record every step of this process using end-to-end data lineage, tracing a top-level dashboard through the transformation logic to the exact raw column in the bronze zone. These vertical pillars ensure the data mesh operates effectively. Without automated lineage and strict access policies, granting independent domains the freedom to build their own data products would lead to fragmentation. With the infrastructure secure and the data strictly validated, we reach Phase 10, the analytics and AI consumption layer. Standard business intelligence dashboards connect to the semantic layer, embedding live, mathematically consistent data from the gold tables for human analysts. The final objective is the AI agent node, an autonomous digital core sitting atop the stack, actively processing and routing millions of data signals. We deploy large language models to act as a natural language interface over the catalog. Business users simply ask questions in plain English, and the agent generates validated SQL queries against the semantic layer. These agents execute closed-loop data pipelines. Monitoring observability logs, the AI detects a schema anomaly and instantly pushes a corrective code path to the transformation layer. By automating this remediation, the system eliminates high-volume debugging tasks that consume a data engineer's schedule. The results of these inferences and automated actions are then written directly back into the data lake, creating a constant closed-loop learning environment. An open-format cloud architecture built on these principles operates as an agentic ecosystem, where AI continuously optimizes its own operations and the enterprise it supports.